Hi everybody, so in this second video I am going to talk about Explain Everything Collaborate. And Explain Everything Collaborate is the purple icon with the white E. So you see it here at the bottom, the purple icon with the white E. And it looks very similar. This is the app that 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th grade students are using along with teaching staff. So um, those are the groups that are using it. And this is a collaborative version of Explain Everything. One thing you'll notice the first time you log in is you're going to be asked to sign up or sign in. Go ahead and sign in. What you want to do is sign in with your Colab account. By signing in with your Colab account, then you are able to utilize the subscription that we have for this year for you to be able to create not just your own Explain Everything projects, but also collaborative ones. So you could have people join with a join code and be able to collaborate with each other on the same Explain Everything, similar to like a Google Doc or different things in Colab. So when you're ready to create a new one, you'd press New. This screen looks a little different than Explain Everything Whiteboard, so you could do a blank canvas. You can grab a template, or you can go grab files. So I'm going to start with a blank canvas, and that's going to bring up a blank Explain. So from here, you see the tools are fairly similar. One thing that's different is the name is over to the side. So I am going to tap on whiteboard 1, 2, and I want to rename that. The reason you want to rename it right away, let's say demonstration 2, is that makes it so there aren't these like almost like random files that are saved for you in the recovery. So you just have it named, and then I'm going to do quick save. And so now it's saving, and now you notice that it's named. So the first thing I would do is go ahead and name it. But the tools are the same as Explain Everything Whiteboard. So what's different is instead of the plus, on the Explain Everything Whiteboard, it goes the hand first and then the plus. This one, the plus is first, so that's where you could import a file, a picture, video. You have tons of different things that you can do. So that's where you can add different things. So if I wanted to add an existing image or video, then I could go to my all photos and I could choose this poplet, and that would bring that in. I tap done, and then I can make it smaller and put it in. The pen is the same features as in Whiteboard, different way to make tips, things like that. So I'll let you go to Explain Everything Whiteboard for that. Highlighter's the same. All of the other things down here are the same. Couple other differences that are used, you're going to see the record button looks a little different. You tap on it, it would start recording. I'd press stop, and then it brings it right up. You have some more editing tools as far as your sound and things like that, so you have that to utilize as well. Over here is where you add slides, and then you'll get that same thing that you get in Explain Everything Whiteboard, and then you select which one if you want the blank, the notepad, or the different templates. And then sharing looks a little different. So if I go up here, I have the invite. That's to invite people. So I would just say yes here, and now I'd get an invite code. There we go. And so I could give people this join code to be able to share. Or I could do anyone with the link, or right now it's anyone with the link can edit. So I could also share the link with people as well. So you could do that. So I'm going to just cancel there. That's if you would want to invite people to work on the same project as you. When you're ready and all done with your project, then you would click on that square with the arrow. And what you will do is export. And now this is very similar to an Explain Everything Whiteboard. So if you have audio recordings, you're going to do a video. You can also do a document or an image if you don't have that audio recording. So same as an Explain Everything Whiteboard. So that is really Explain Everything. Remember, when you're done working on it for the day, make sure you tap Projects. Yes, I want to overwrite, and now I have it there. Remember, if you can't see your project, go to Library, and then check to see if maybe it's in Recovery, or otherwise you'll see your most recent files right here, and you can just scroll down. But make sure that you check in the library first before thinking that it might be disappear, because it might be sitting in Recovery, it might be sitting down here. So that is Explain Everything Collaborate. I would go, if you're looking for specifics on tools, I would go to Explain Everything Whiteboard.